Ours is the land for the potential and hidden treasure. There is a song in our heart and a glow in our eyes. There is a bounce in our walk, boldness in our talk. Jigawa State, with its flora and fauna, is a land of enduring peace and guaranteed security, with warm hospitality. And as we rise to take our place as the tourist state of the true giant of Africa, if you come closer, you will see that we are so blessed more than meets the eye, highly valued. And to cap it all, here we nurture nature. We are proud to be the emerging new world. So come and you will be glad you did.
Jigawa State, an emerging new world.